Morning, baby girl. Good morning. What are you doing? You wanna come down? Let me get coffee. Alright, good morning everybody. It is Tuesday, and for some reason, I have an alarm set for 4 o'clock in the morning. One set for 4:40, not hearing the 4 o'clock one at all. And yeah, I'm not getting up at the 4:41 for the second day in a row. It's 5:19 when I'm hearing it go off. So, here we go again. Happy, joy. Coffee. I need coffee before I get in the shower. Just have to have it. So, hope everybody's having a good morning. And here we go with Tuesday. And the watch, the Apple Watch has an update, so I don't even have that on. I almost forgot that had to be plugged in order to charge, so. Oh boy. Yay. See a foot? I see a foot! I see a min bin! I see a naked min bin! Hi, naked min bin. How you doing, buddy boy? Good morning. Oh, it's been so long since I roughed you up in bed. Yes, you're normally not in bed. Hope Sis is going to help get you up. She's going to help. Yeah, since you're a good boy. You're a good girl. Yeah, you are. You're a big girl. Oh, the kids. I wasn't even able to look outside yet this morning because it was actually dark out when I got up, even though I got up late. But looks like it rained a little more overnight, which is fine. What are we at? 64 degrees? Still slight humidness. Of course, with all the rain, I guess there should be. Oh yeah, Tuesday. So how does the GoPro look on linear? That's the big question, because if I might be able to handle this. I mean, I did notice the other day, and Shane pointed out too, when I did the test in the backyard, the GX7, when it was facing me, definitely showed a lot more detail. Of course, it's, you know, right on my face. Nope, come on, let's go. Yesterday was just ridiculous. I don't know how Charles Trippy does what he does. He must have pterodactyl arms, because you can see a hell of a lot more of him with the same camera. But anyway, I'll give this a try for the day and see if I like it. I don't remember why I always went away from linear. I mean, it didn't look bad in the car yesterday, but I don't know. Maybe handheld, I felt like I was too close. But I still got to be farther away than I was with the GX. I'm still trying it. I struggled like it yesterday with pictures, so that's my biggest problem, is the Sony was so snappy with photos. And this camera has not been. But you're talking double the price too. What's in there? What's in there? Is it this? Is it crate time? Let's go, crate! Come on, crate, go! Come on! Tail's like, I'm off to the races, yay! Alright, kiddos, I love you. I'll see you tonight. Right about, 10:40 something again. I'm ready to walk out of the house and my stomach started acting up. I can't catch a break. But the good thing is, it reminded me that I had not filled my ibuprofen, leave, and Tylenol bottle. So I did that real quick as well. And I'm all ready to be in loads of pain and have something for it. Oh my goodness, blue skies again. And the temperature's not scorching hot. It's actually quite pretty outside. Oh, waiting on the boxcar. Oh yeah. I can get these damn boots off for the day. I love that time. 76 and blue skies. 4-mile-an-hour breeze, which I think is closer to like 7 or 8. And it's almost actually outwinds early. If you can even hear me because of the wind. Crazy. Already just, I mean, this day is, yesterday, I didn't even mention, yesterday seemed to go pretty quick up here at least. Today is already. it's noon, and it's our employee appreciation day. We're not doing Knoebels anymore, so we got our Knoebels tickets. That's it. Which honestly, for most of us, is actually just a lot easier, because they always did it on a Sunday. Sundays are horrible for me to try to get off. But they gave us like, I forget what they used to give us, but they gave us like $25 in everything tickets, and I didn't even count just the ride tickets because we might do the haunted house. That'd be about it. So kind of pointless, but whatever. It's alright. Something's better than nothing, I guess. And they have like cake and some snacks, but I'm my own food. Try not to eat that garbage. Definitely sounds like a summer day out. It's just an echo of them today. Still don't know what the hell it is. Oh, I'm getting a little sweaty. The sun is beating down pretty good. I still can't figure out what the hell that is. What would be in the swamp? I don't think geese go into swamps. I could be wrong. Maybe they like marshlands. I don't know. Nonetheless, it just baffles me because, and that's the most of them I've ever heard. There had to be 3, if not more, in there because they were coming from at least 3 different directions. If you could hear it, yesterday I tried, couldn't hear it. That's why I was trying to be quiet. But then those freaking heat bugs are going crazy too, so you might not even hear the honking over them. Now, not a very strong walk considering the fact that I was taking pictures and videos and all that good stuff. But I'm back. Like an 1805 on the way back. I don't even know on the way out because the truck went the wrong way. Actually, 2 of them did. I had to wait for them to kind of back up and not get run over. Alrighty. Time to rock and roll. And I'll tell you, the last 2 days, watch tomorrow just take forever since I'm off tomorrow. I do have my haircut appointment at 3:30 tomorrow, so straight to that after work before I go home. I'll probably be regretting it once I leave here and want to go, take a nap. But I can't do that anyway. I got a lot of shit to do. I did the cat litter this morning, sifted it, but I gotta vacuum the entire house tomorrow and clean up. Just things I need to, like I was saying yesterday, start doing the priorities properly. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm really looking forward to tonight, but I don't even know who I have or what's going on. Hopefully I have at least someone there till 8 o'clock. People on vacations and stuff. It's just a mess. And with, I think I mentioned 2 weeks ago now, we lost an associate, and she was actually service desk capable, trained, and so we're actually down 2 people because the other one's off on military leave. Well, we think could be permanently not there. We don't know. That's the way life goes. And then one of our stockmen, well, he actually watches the videos. He basically, I guess, quit yesterday without calling or showing or anything. So that went over big. They're trying to hire new people for carts. They're like, don't you want to do it? I'm like, I'll take CSM pay to do it, and I'll work 3:30 to 11 every night. do walkie walks. Home sweet home. Not a bad night. We did have a hell of a rainstorm on my lunch, which made talking to Terry very difficult. I don't know, just another night at Walmart, I guess. Yeah. You just never know when it's going to be busy and when it's going to be decent. So, come on. Come on. Yeah, so I'm home. I gotta get these guys out. Get this bad boy edited. And, yeah, get ready for tomorrow. Do get a haircut tomorrow at 3:30. So, that's good. That's exciting. I can't wait to shear this thing off my head. You know me, I don't like long hair at all. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thumb up if you like today's video. And we'll see you in the morning. Good night. It's very concerning when they keep doing this. They keep looking across like they hear or see something. It's very disturbing late at night. That's not a lie. They're very, very keen, both looking in the same direction. I don't know. Yeah. Made them safe, yeah.
This is where the endings ring.